In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete lines in AutoCAD effectively and efficiently. If you're looking to tidy up your design or remove those unwanted elements, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through a straightforward process to ensure you manage your lines with ease. Whether you're a seasoned drafter or just starting, these steps will help you navigate the AutoCAD interface smoothly. Let's begin with the first step. What you need to do is to type erase or simply the letter E into the command line and press enter. Now you might be wondering what the command line is. In AutoCAD, the command line is a text interface that's typically found at the bottom of your workspace. It's a powerful tool that allows you to input commands directly and interact with the software in a very responsive manner. So by entering erase or E, you initiate the delete function. This action prepares the software to recognize the upcoming elements you want to remove from your drawing. Once you've engaged the erase command, it's time to select the lines you wish to delete. Simply move your cursor over the lines you're targeting and click on each one to highlight them. You'll notice these lines change in appearance when selected. They'll typically become dashed or highlighted, providing a clear indication of which lines are marked for deletion. This visual feedback is crucial as it helps avoid accidental deletions. Another pro tip here: if you're trying to select multiple lines at once, hold down the Shift key while clicking to add to your selection, or use a crossing window by clicking and dragging your cursor to form a box around the lines you want to target. Now that you have your lines selected, the final step is to press enter once more to confirm the deletion. This action finalizes the erase command and removes your selected lines from the drawing, leaving behind a cleaner workspace. If by any chance you make a mistake or delete something unintentionally, don't worry, you can easily use the undo command by typing U or pressing Ctrl+Z to revert your last action. And there you have it. Deleting lines in AutoCAD can be done in just a few simple steps. Typing the command, selecting your lines, and confirming the action. With these straightforward instructions, you should now have the confidence to keep your drawings clean and organized. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your drafting skills in AutoCAD.